Looks really good. Wow. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Oh wow. Well, you built this box into the car. Looks good. Nice.
Showing what the Magnum you just heard built it.
Okay. Very nice.
2 F18 V318s on 2 Smart 5s.
Nice. What are your amps wired to?
0.7 inch.
Okay. You've got a lot of deadener in here.
And a lot of urethane.
Urethane, everything, yeah.
Last time you heard it was with the small 12.
Yep, I remember that. Wow. So what's your electrical and all?
95 amp hour C-Max and Brandex 250.
Okay. And the box tuning?
Box is a little over 11 cubes to 30, between 32 and 33.
Alright.
Box is way too small for the heads, but it's little car lights.
Okay. Is there a way I can see the back real quick? Thank you for the demo. If it that's not open. Yeah, don't worry about it.
Well, I can show you the amp and everything.
Okay. Yeah, man. What kind of port is it? Is it a slot port, air port? Slotted? Yeah. Okay. Oh, nice. Looks really good. Wow. So how big is your port? Like port area wise, do you know?
112 square inches.
112? Okay. Small.
That's less than what they recommend for one.
Yeah. That's how you get so low though. Very nice.
Yeah.
So it is actually just a ported enclosure then?
Correct.
Okay.
The baffle actually lies to you. It really goes to about here. That's just to cover up the gap out area because the way it's 45 and stuff there all the way back.
Got it.
But everything else that's behind it, it's all foam.
Okay. Hey, thanks for showing me, man.
Yep.
Good job.
pretty low. Yeah, but, and you said the box is a little small for it?
That's what I
Have you done any kind of clamp power test on it? See how much power these subs are getting?
No, I haven't. You plug those come off the quick.
Nice job, man.
Got some crack in the corner and I did what I did. The neighbors, they don't let me. I got J's in the door. Told my grandma I don't need them. And I'm sleeping on the floor. Got my tools in my boat. And my two main hoes. Seeing all my walls. Get together like a gold. After I see who that is. But I love it. I keep coming with me. Like a straight out high road.
That back hatch is handling the pressure, but I don't know how you haven't broken it yet. That's crazy, man.
It's broke.
It is. Thank you very much for the demo, man.
Urethane the hatch.
You did? Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, that's popping off too.
It always does.
They don't let me. I got J's in the door. Told my grandma I don't need them. And I'm sleeping on the floor. Got my tools in my boat. And my two main hoes. Seeing all my walls. Get together like a gold. After I see who that is. But I love it. I keep coming with me. Like a straight out high road.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.